Guys, welcome back. On tonight's episode, we're making sweet and spicy Vietnamese chicken. Let's get cooking.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.
All right, guys, this is another one-pan meal. For this recipe, you're gonna need some chicken thighs with the bones in and the skin on. Next, I have a little bit of ginger and some dried chilies. For this, we're gonna make a sweet and spicy sticky sauce, and we're gonna finish it all in the oven. So to start out, I'm gonna go with 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. That's gonna start us off in our pan, about medium heat, about a tablespoon of water in there. While that's starting to bubble up, I'm gonna get our ginger ready. So now to peel the ginger, the fastest way is to get a spoon, and with the back of the spoon, you just wanna run along the skin, and that's gonna get it all off. Once your ginger is peeled, you can go ahead and just grate it very fine. I've already grated some garlic in here. We're using garlic and ginger for this. About 2 cloves of garlic grated and about a thumb-sized piece of ginger. So now look, our brown sugar is starting to bubble up in this pan. Hot. You can go in there now with the ginger and the garlic, and then about 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar and some soy sauce as well. Beautiful. And now we can drop in all of those chilies. If you're using fresh chili, it's just thinly slice it. All I have is dried. If you don't have dried chilies like this, you can use chili flakes, but that's gonna help give us some heat in the base of the sauce. There's some salt in there already, so just lightly salt the tops. Get our chicken in there, skin side down. Let's give this a nice toss and everything. Make sure all the chicken's coated. All right, once your chicken has been tossed around a few times, let's get it skin side up. And now we are gonna pop this in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes. God damn it. 30 minutes at 350. God damn it. We'll be right back. Okay, our chicken's almost done. I'm gonna make a quick side salad to serve with it. I have some bok choy here. The leaves are pretty big, so I'm just gonna do one 45-degree angle cut along the middle just to break those down. And I have some spring onions here as well. Slice them up 45-degree angle, try to get nice long pieces. This is all gonna go into a bowl. Easy dressing, very similar to what we use to make the base of that sauce that we're cooking the chicken in. A little apple cider vinegar, just a touch, because most of the acid is gonna come from some fresh lime juice. Whenever you're making salad, just think there's acid and there's base, which is your oil. To have some salty element, we're gonna go in with a little soy sauce, just a couple dashes. Some sesame oil. Now this is very strong, so we don't wanna do too much. About a teaspoon and a half of sesame oil, and then a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna go in with a little sweetness. If you have some brown sugar, that'll work too. I'm gonna use a little bit of honey, and also a little bit of sesame seed. That is gonna be our completed dressing. All right, guys, it's been about 35 minutes. I have the chicken in the oven for the last 5 minutes. I put the broiler on high just to get that skin nice and charred up at the end. So let's take a look at it. That's exactly what we want to see. Beautiful chicken. Beautiful chicken. Come on, look at that skin, you guys. And with this remaining liquid, I'm gonna throw that on high heat just to reduce that into a little bit more of a sauce. And then I'll add my dressing right to that. Nice, so we have our little salad right there, and we can go ahead and plate this up right on top. Get a brush now and take this sauce that's reduced and just paint some on. Oh, look at that. Boys, let's go. Bang, there you go. Vietnamese sweet and spicy chicken. That's how you do it. All right, let's have a taste. What do you say? Get some skin, a little bit of bok choy. If you want, you can take a little chicken, get in your bok choy, wrap it up, bang, you got a little lettuce cup. Wow, wow. A little bit of spice, a little sweetness, sticky. That's the perfect little dish right there. Delicious. Guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. That's how you make a sweet and spicy Vietnamese chicken. I'll see you next time. I'm Donny. Peace.
I'm a private chef, cook for money, yeah.